Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a financial compliance program with ComplyAdvantage, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining the objectives of your financial compliance program. Identify the key regulations and standards relevant to your organization. Conduct a thorough risk assessment to understand potential compliance challenges. Select ComplyAdvantage as your compliance solution based on its features and capabilities. Create a project team that includes stakeholders from legal, finance, operations, and compliance. Schedule an initial meeting to discuss the scope and timeline of the deployment. Familiarize your team with ComplyAdvantage's platform and its functionalities. Configure your ComplyAdvantage account by entering necessary organization details. Integrate existing data sources with ComplyAdvantage for a seamless transition. Utilize the platform's risk screening tools to identify and assess potential risks. Set up automated alerts and reporting features within ComplyAdvantage. Develop a training program for employees to enhance compliance awareness. Schedule training sessions and distribute educational materials regarding the program. Implement the compliance program company-wide following the completion of training. Monitor ongoing performance through the analytics and reporting tools provided. Regularly review and update the compliance program as regulations evolve. Gather feedback from team members and stakeholders to enhance the process. Document all procedures and compliance efforts for future reference. Ensure all compliance activities are logged and tracked within the platform. Conduct periodic audits to assess the efficacy of your financial compliance program. Take immediate corrective actions for any compliance gaps identified during audits. Set up ongoing communication channels for continuous improvement and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.